yung yung sentro, dito sa Tagaytay, makikita yung pinyahan na pinakamalawak. Tapos, dito sa sa People's Park, makikita mo yung dinarayo ng mga turista. Yun yun. Makikita mo rin yung malaking pina dyan na
Ito ang tutuloyan. US President si Ronald Reagan sa pagbisita niya noong November 1980. Ito ay for 4,516 square meters solid ground. Makikita mo dito ang four bodies of water at Malayan Bay, Manila Bay at Laguna Bay.
Palace in the Sky na unfinished mansion ni former dictator Ferdinand Marcos. So makikita po natin na hindi po talaga siya natapos. Nadayo po siya. Makikita din po natin yung mga sirang hagdan. Kabayaan na po. Makikita din po natin na may mga kwarto na iba hindi pwedeng pasukin. Hindi pwedeng I guess puntahan. You can see here restricted area. Door closes. So, ito po yung the rest ng Palace in the Sky na hindi namin napunta. Kasi hindi namin po alam yung daan. Makikita po natin na sobra-sobra po ang dami ng halaman. Samahan po namin puntahan, hindi po namin alam.
Shrine of Our Lady Mother of Fair Love. The Shrine of Our Lady Mother of Fair Love is located within the People's Park in the Sky. The shrine was installed in December 15, 1974 with the installation of the image of the Blessed Virgin Mary and the Child Jesus by Hernan D. Reyes, aided by 4 high school students and 2 workers. During the construction of the Palace in the Sky in 1981, workers were unable to blast a huge rock containing the image of the Blessed Virgin Mary with several dynamic blasts. The rock was removed intact after the discovery of the image.